Alright, here we go. We are to the fun part of furnishing these houses and kind of being that interior designer, interior decorator. It's kind of fun. In the kitchen, you're going to need to add in a kitchen table. Bathrooms are pretty much done. Master bedroom over here. You need to add at least 3 pieces. I added 4. So I did a bed, 2 end tables, and a dresser. And over here, living room is a little bit more difficult. I put in a couch and TV and table, coffee table. Pretty small living room. The second bedroom over here, I added a table and a twin bed. And I'm going to show you how to work with this on this final bedroom here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your display and turn on hidden objects. The reason we do this is because a lot of times people that make models just hide objects in there, and we want to delete those out to make our model run faster. Our model's running pretty good right now, and I'm going to teach you a little bit about that. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to go to Search 3D Warehouse, and I'm going to go to Double Bed. Right here it tells you 1.2 meg, 4.1 meg, 38 meg. This is a 38 meg is a ridiculous amount. It's a very detailed model, but it's a ridiculous amount of space. Right here is a double bed with 0.5 meg. I like that one because smaller megs means it runs faster. Still gets me the idea, but it runs faster. So the first thing I want to do is I have it outside the house, and I'm going to orientate it right. I'm going to put it on this wall right here, sticking out. Actually, I'm going to put it on this wall over here, sticking out, since I don't have a window over there. So I want to orientate it by rotating it. Click on these little pluses with the Move tool. Not with the Rotate tool, just the Move tool. I can click on the little plus. I can rotate. I can stop at any angle that I want. It does kind of lock it to the angles that we work with here. Boom, locks it to the angle. Now when I move, I know I want this bed to sit on the ground. So I'm going to click on the edge of the bed, that's right at the ground, and I'm going to put it on this corner in here. And you can see I got the bed placed in there. Now this headboard is a little bit crazy to me. So I could double click in here and see how the headboard is selected. I can just hit delete. I can edit this stuff however I need to edit it. It makes sense to edit it so that it works for your space. Now I can find out what this is doing, and I can just pull that up a little bit. And I don't like how thick the back is, which is fine. So I'm going to click out of the model. I'm going to hit move. Move it out. Go back into it. And these are all the great edit tools that you've learned so far, all the way through this design process. I like it about that thick instead. That's a much better looking headboard to me. If I wanted to change the color, bedding color, all that, I could do that at this point. Go out of the model. Again, we're working in and out of the model a ton. Grab this bottom corner right here and set it right in here. I'm going to move this bed to the window a little bit just because there's a nice walking room right there, and then this closet door can open. Then I'm going to do a nightstand. Let's do a dresser in here. So I'm just searching for a nice dresser. this top one. Nice 0.21 meg, 0.41 meg. All those are really nice size dressers. Rotate 180 degrees. Grab at that bottom corner, like we've been doing, and pop that dresser in on this wall. And that's how we work with components and moving them in and moving them out, and editing. I edited this component nice. Now let's show you a quick little thing. I'm going to put this dresser in for a second, and I'm going to right click and hit hide. So this, if you see any of this stuff hanging around your model, because we turned on hidden objects, see that? So if the object's sitting there, it's just hidden. So we turned on hidden objects. So you look for these objects and you delete them. Sometimes you'll see like this bed came in just gigantic because it had some hidden objects over there. So that's just how people model. No big deal. But we want to make sure to clean that stuff up. And now we have our whole house furnished and ready to go. Have fun furnishing your house and have a great day.